सुखी है पुत्र, तेरा पति सुखी रहे पुत्र, तेरा पति सुखी।
Hi guys, we're in Mcleod Ganj. We're going to attempt to walk up to the top of the Bagsu Waterfalls. And on the way up, we're stopping off to do a bit of bargain hunting.
This one suit I want. This I really love it. This one suit. पंजाब में तो आई नो कितने का यहाँ पे
950।
पंजाब में पता कितने का ये वाला 400।
कितने का कहाँ पे
400
कहाँ पे
अमृतसर सेम सूट it is very nice suit this one। अच्छा आगे से बंद होता है ना, इसका थोड़ा स्टाइल चेंज है ना, ये ऐसे होगा ना, क्या आगे से पीछे से ऐसे, पीछे से ऐसे बंद होगा क्या आगे से होना ये,
पीछे से बेल्ट लगेगी ना, ये
पीछे वाली तो अलग है ना, ये या पीछे वाली तो। Oh really babe, I love this suit।
Tell him to make a sensible price then.
सही से बताओ भैया, मैं ले भी लूँ।
दे देना, कितने देने हमें?
देना मैं तुम्हें 100 रुपया दे दूँ। आप बताओ ना कितना लेस करोगे?
800 दे देना लास्ट।
You like this one? This cloth after washing really is very shitty. This fabric.
I don't think the fabric's any good at all. This one's already got like some dirty marks all over it.
ये निकलेगा कि नहीं भैया?
That won't come out.
कौन सा निकलेगा? लग जाते हैं।
Just try when you're fighting with me.
Yeah, exactly. Like life okay.
Makan
Show me it.
This one. No, chocolate नहीं ये chocolate
What's this?
That's the laser dot।
Oh, right. So you get it right on target. That's good. These things should be banned. End of story.
ये 600।
Yeah.
Sing a song.
What's this?
Sing a song.
Just
What is it?
okay, Mike।
Mike.
मैंने जूता है जापानी ये कानून इंग्लिस्तानी फिलहाल टोपी रूसी। Very good।
It's nice, huh?
I don't know what you're going to do with it.
I'm not singing. Very bad.
खाली रोटी
That's right, yeah.
वो कहने
खेलने के लिए स्पेशल।
वो और क्या ये
She wants a discount from 7 months ago.
2 ड्रेसें खड़ी थी और वो फट गई।
मतलब
पता नहीं 8 महीने पहले
फटती है, मैं नहीं ले रहा हूँ।
Before 8 months
पहले लेके गए, वो तो फटनी है।
8 months.
पहनी तो दूसरे दिन ही थी ना।
नहीं तो वो ऐसे कैसे फट गए, मतलब समझा नहीं है।
जब मैंने पहना वो सिलाई कच्ची होती है ना तो वो निकल गया।
सिलाई से निकली या ऐसे फटे बीच में
ऐसे when you coming here I said before 8 months and you give me dress that broken next day so he said what's wrong।
मेरा कहने का मतलब है सिलाई से निकली या इसमें सिलाई तो वापस हो जाती है ना उसमें।
हम वापस किया नहीं ना, फिर मैंने फाड़ ही दिया उसको। How much this one?
नहीं ये क्या है ना, आगे से आते ना हम भी क्या करें,
वो दूसरा वाला फैब्रिक इसलिए वो नहीं बनेगा दोबारा, क्योंकि उसका बहुत टफ था ये चीज़ ऐसे करके बनाना। तो जिसको
पूरा इलास्टिक में होगा वो,
इलास्टिक वाला था ड्रेस प्रॉपर था ना,
वो इलास्टिक सिलाई वाला कर देता है, उनको रोज का काम होता है वो तो।
डबल एक्सेल फॉर यू।
Yeah, this man's dress.
कितने का ये वाला?
ये 550।
550।
लग रहा है ना वो टैटू का ही।
Don't sit there and cause the business problems.
And this one? This one?
ये 600।
600।
अंदर और भी लगी है ना अलग अलग डिजाइन।
And they'll all be broken by tomorrow and you'll be happy again.
ये देखो ना इधर लगी है ऐसे लॉन्ग ड्रेस में चीज़ इसमें लगी है, एम्ब्रॉयडरी वाले में चीज़ इसमें लगी है, उधर लगी है, बीच में लगी है ऐसे प्रिंटेड।
Look at babes. Is mom not saying anything? Hope so. She's so... You're a German Shepherd?
It looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks like German Shepherd. You want biscuit? Alright. Have no any food? Where biscuit वगैरह है? Okay, bye, darling.
And this is a natural hot spring swimming pool. Thousands and thousands of people come here to go in there. I don't like it. The water's way too hot. It's scalding hot. I don't know how people can go in it, especially in the summer. Right, now we're going to start trekking up towards the Bagsu Falls. You're very handsome.
Thank you.
Now here we are in Dharamshala. We're heading up the Bagsu Falls. I don't know whether we're going to go to the top, but we're going to have a good go. Try and get some drone shots. Yeah. This is natural spring water, not spring water, sorry, mineral water from the mountains. You can drink this. So all you people back home that are paying £1 or €1 or $1 for a bottle of mineral water, come here, it's free. Drink as much as you want. Namaste Auntie Ji.
बेटा जी मैं गरीब है
सब ठीक है?
नहीं पता था
Oh, you got bad knee.
What's happened? Oh. No problem.
एक कपड़ा
Oh, you need clothes.
कपड़ा पाने के लिए
ऐसा ना करे करो आंटी
मैं कपड़ा
काम नहीं करना
मैं कपड़ा पा
कपड़े हैं नहीं
ना पुत्र मेरे कार वाला मेरा हो गया था मैं पापा मेरा कुछ मैं दुखी है पुत्र तेरा पति सुखी रहे पुत्र तेरा पति सुखी
पति बहुत हरामी है
ना ना
देख हरामी
ना पुत्र
ये नहीं पैसे दिंदा नो
Liar.
ये मैंने कोई पैसा नहीं दिंदा
ना सच्ची पुत्र
ना all is my money you have nothing
धंधा धंधा
Yeah.
धंधा
चलो आलो 50 रुपए रख
From
लो
hero
ठीक है
to zero.
धंधा पुत्र तेरा पति सब धंधा
चलो कैंडी
Your acting skills are very good.
oh fantastic it's too far
They're cute. How can you eat them?
no attack I'm good with you you're good with me no it isn't no touching no touching no touching
And bakra curry?
hello little baby
You're cute.
that's so cute
Yeah.
quite just eating
So we managed to make it all the way down, but not all the way up. So it was a long journey. And I need to cut down on the pork pies and get some exercise. You have to be really fit to get up there. I think you could have made it. Huh?
What?
Could have you made it up there?
First time I was with you just halfway
Yeah. It's a very nice place, beautiful. And it's really cool.
what is that
About 20 degrees.
not 20 degrees 18
18?
morning is 15 now is 18 degrees
Yeah, 18.
so weather is like up down
There's some party people down there drinking. And there's not many tourists here for this time of year. Well, foreign tourists. A lot of Indian tourists.
have rain there
Yeah. I don't think many tourists come in the monsoon season.
September is everything is open
Yeah.
so September is good month
Yeah. September's the best time, I think.
yeah everything here
Yeah. Yeah.
good opportunities tourist
Yeah, everything.
Mitch me all the never missing